This is a LavMicro-U. It is a clip-on lavalier mic that plugs directly into the USB-C port of an Android or iOS device. This is a very windy area on the beach, but I'm doing a mic test with the Lav mic. I'm going to plug it in. Now we are testing the audio with the Lav mic. This is the audio test with the Lav mic. Now here's the mic very close to my mouth. Now I'm bringing it down a little bit more. So we're testing the audio a little bit more. I'm going to bring it about halfway. And now here's very, very close with the Lav mic.